Talk about a literal pain in the neck. If you have hunchback and poor posture, this is likely affecting your overall life every single day. And if you feel like there's nothing that you can do to fix your neck hump, poor posture, and back and neck pain, well, you are in luck. Today, I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite neck hump exercises that can relieve your neck and back pain, improve your overall posture, and get rid of any resemblance of hunchback forever. This postural routine to get rid of your neck hump is designed specifically to gently ease your body into movement. We will start with a few gentle stretches and then move to some strengthening routines to allow you to keep your perfect posture once you start working on it. Because of this, I would highly recommend watching the video all the way from the beginning to the end to get the most benefit. Any product from the video will be linked down in the description so you can check those out for yourself.
So for this posture routine, we're going to start out with some shoulder dislocations. For this exercise, you're going to need a resistance band, like so, and then simply you're going to allow this resistance band to go all the way up and around your shoulders and back, hence the term shoulder dislocations. This is a really good exercise to open up your shoulders, open up your chest muscles, and just get a little bit of blood flow through that area. When you do this, if this is causing some pain, you can open up your hand width a little bit, as that'll make it a little bit easier on your shoulders. Try this exercise out in addition to doing the ball lean back stretch. This stretch is going to have you needing a medicine ball, placing it behind your body, and then simply putting your hands on the back of your head. And then all you're going to do, as you can see in the video, is lean back against the ball. This is really going to open up your upper back and chest quite a bit. Great view from the side there. You can see we're really opening up that entire area, getting in some good mobility, good stretching, and you're basically reversing the effects of hunchback in this exact position. So reversing all the effects of sitting all day. This feels really good too. If you've ever done something similar to this with a foam roller, exact same concept, just you can do it from a chair. On top of that, we also want to do a dedicated chest stretch, as we really want to open up and mobilize those chest muscles because they are very, very tight and usually very overworked in individuals with poor posture and hunchback. So doing this chest stretch, very gentle, and all you're really needing here is either a wall or a stable chair or something to grab onto. Pulling yourself towards the other side, trying to look all the way around. Really good mobilizer. I also like this too because you can do it basically anywhere, anytime, and you'll be good to go. Once you've done that, we can move into some strengthening exercise with a band pull apart. You're going to need that resistance band once again, and then for this one, grab it about shoulder width apart, and then simply think about pinching your shoulder blades all the way at the back as you pull that band towards your chest. This is going to work the muscles in our upper back that help with posture and putting our shoulders in good position and ultimately getting our upper back in good alignment as well. If this is too tough for you, you can try to grab a lighter resistance band. On top of that, you can also just widen your hand grip a little bit. So the wider you go, the easier it'll be. And of course, if you want more of a challenge, you can bring it in a little bit closer. On top of that, you can add in some dumbbell rows. This is one of my favorite overall strengthening exercises. You're going to need a dumbbell or a heavy object though for this one. And then simply lean over onto a chair. Allow that dumbbell or weight to go down, and then you are trying to pull the weight back towards your chest, thinking about pinching that shoulder blade once again. That's a key point here, as well as all of these exercises. We're trying to pinch those shoulder blades. Those shoulder blades are incredibly important for your overall postural muscles and keeping your body in position in good alignment to reduce back pain and neck hump. Once you're finished with that, we can do some towel chin tucks. This exercise is going to have you needing a towel, or in this case, I actually just have a t-shirt actually rolled up in this position, and then you're going to place it behind your head and you're going to gently pull forward with the towel with your hands and then try to tuck your chin backwards. Great view from the side there. This is going to strengthen all the muscles in your neck and head that are usually very weak and can at times contribute to that poor posture and neck hump that of course we're trying to get rid of. So go gentle when you're first doing this exercise. And another key point here is to try to think about bringing that chin into yourself to make a double chin. On top of that, one of my favorite neck hump and posture exercises is a dumbbell pullover. Grab that dumbbell or heavy object you are using once again, and then get onto a bench or a couch that allows you to reach behind you, and then place your upper back basically on the edge of that couch. And then of course, just letting that dumbbell gently pull your body back into position, opening up your entire upper chest and shoulders, of course. Go very light with this movement at first because it is very, very demanding on your shoulders and takes a decent amount of mobility to get into, but I promise you, you'll feel a good stretch and you will reverse that neck hump and hunchback with time.
Like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe to the channel as we help individuals with all abilities improve their overall health and knowledge of the gym. And if you're dealing with bad posture, I'm guessing you might be dealing with knee pain too, which is why I would highly recommend checking out this video I'm going to link for you as well.
I'm out of it, to tell me you know